Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix battery percentage not showing on iPhone. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up settings app and then scroll down, tap on battery option. So battery percentage, this toggle is not showing battery percentage there, so turn that toggle on for this and go back. So as you can see, battery percentage tag is showing right now. You have iPhone 8, iPhone 7, 7s, 6, 6s, iPhone 5, 5s, 4, 4s is showing battery percentage tag is right side. So you have iPhone 10, 13 Pro Max, so is battery showing right side. So that's it guys for today video. If the video helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. You have any problem, let me in the comment. I happy more. Thanks for watching.